Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Magnum Videos. And I know, it's been a while since we've talked, but we've been very busy, and we had some stuff happen here that I wanted to share with you. The whole thing began when we got Tommy and discovered that we had a dead tree along the fence line. And that's what we're going to talk about today. And I'm going to show you everything that's happened, and some of it's pretty impressive. So stick around, I'll be back right after this. All right, this whole adventure began when we got Tommy and we decided we need to put a fence in so that he can come out here and play without us having to be out here watching him every minute. And we thought about putting it along the back fence line, and then I noticed that the honey locust tree has a leader that comes off of it, and it is totally dead. It's probably about 45 feet tall, but it was dead. And I thought, and it was leaning kind of this direction, so I thought if we put a fence up there and it breaks or blows over or whatever, it's going to wreck the fence. So we need to get rid of that first. So I called a company, Level Ground Tree Service. They're local here in the Kansas City area. I'll tell you ahead of time and spoil it. I was very impressed. Very impressed. And they've got a piece of equipment that I'm going to show you in a little bit here that will just amaze you. Anyway, so I was going to have him give me a price on doing that. And then overnight, we had a big storm come up, and my neighbor has a locust tree, or he had a locust tree, that was about probably 50 feet tall, and the top half of it broke off during the storm and fell over the fence and into our yard and kind of filled up the whole back area. So I talked to the neighbor and told him I had a guy coming out to look at my tree, and asked him if he wanted me to give him a bid on taking care of the damage to his tree and cutting the rest of that 30-foot stump off. So he said yes. So that's what happened. And they came out, they took care of my tree, they took care of the neighbor's tree that had fallen, and they just left a few minutes ago because they had to come back because we had a storm kick up during the video, which you'll see in a minute, and they had to come back and finish up. So anyway, I'm going to just roll some footage here now of their work that they did out here, and it's kind of long, so if you don't want to watch it all, you can just fast forward and go to the end, and I'll be back and talk to you a little bit more after the video is over. There you have it. A able-bodied crew. It was Ozzie, Corey, and Mist. If you've got a tree that you need removed, I wouldn't hesitate to call this crew Level Ground Tree Service in a heartbeat. They are excellent at their work, very safety-minded, and very reasonably priced. So hats off to Level Ground Tree Service. Thank you guys for the work. Thank you for doing such a great job. So I think that's it for now. So until I speak with you again, and even after that, you stay focused.